guys, Demi here from Cosmoplastic Surgery. If you are suffering from facial volume loss or looking tired, don't worry, we got you. I'm going to show you exactly what I did for this patient. So this beautiful patient came to me because she felt that she looked very tired, she felt drawn down, she wanted a nice lifted look. And to achieve that, we addressed multiple areas of the face, and as you can see here, she has some volume loss in the cheeks, and over time the cheek fat pad does fall onto the nasolabial fold. It does have some volume loss here in the pre-jowl sulcus, and as well as the chin, which recedes over time. We also added a little pop to the lips, just because why not? Adds a little bit of rejuvenation, hydration, it helps with fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm gonna go through exactly what I did in each area to achieve this beautiful look. So this patient complained of her under eyes looking tired, and I always educate my patients that first we always treat cheeks and mid-face before we treat under eyes. It's literally going to support the under eyes, and sometimes you don't even need the filler under eye. A lot of times patients come in saying, I need under eye filler, and we just have to educate them that it's really the cheek and the mid-face that supports the under eye to make you look more refreshed and less tired. We always work from the top down, so first we treated the cheeks, now we treat the piriform, which is the spot right here in the nose crease, just to help create a little more support and support those lines that happen over time from the cheek pad falling onto that nasolabial fold. Here we treated the pre-jowls right here, and chin and lips. So by treating the pre-jowls, we're not getting rid of anything, we're not actually lifting anything, we're just creating a smoother transition and balance over here, so it's not so indented. And by treating the chin, you may think, oh, she doesn't really need a larger chin. It's not for volume. Basically just harmonizing the face by adding a little bit of volume right here so the chin is not so flat. It creates a nice smooth balance here, creating a heart-shaped face, which is very attractive. And we also treated the lips just to give her a little more hydration, help with the fine lines and wrinkles that form over time in the mouth. And I also, when I treat the lips, I love to treat the corner of the lips as well, just to create some support around the corners of the mouth so they're not so downturned. This is our final result. As you can see, she looks much more refreshed, lifted, youthful. The under eyes look fantastic, even though we did not even treat them. By just doing in the cheeks and the mid-face, it helps give some support. The lips look gorgeous, and the lower face is looking much more harmonized. And the pre-jowl is now hidden with the filler, and the chin is more rounded on the bottom, giving her a nice heart-shaped look. This is our before, and this is our immediately after fillers. She looks much more lifted, youthful, balanced, and she is super happy with her results, and they will only get better with time as she heals over the next couple weeks.